feels amazing to help people. Every person is more than just a disease, and you're helping that person. You're not just treating a disease.
In the student-run free clinics, I feel like students have a great opportunity to learn because they're really sent out on their own, within bounds, of course, but to see the patient, to formulate their ideas of what's going on, and then with the guidance of a physician there on site, they're able to effectively treat the patient nearly themselves, which is a really exciting experience for a first-year, second-year medical student.
And when you get to see those people that are so thankful to have your care, even as a medical student, it's hard not to feel a level of humanism and compassion.
I know the students really enjoy it because in the midst of all of the studying that they have to do, all of this hard work, all of these things they have to get into their brain, now they can put on their white coat and go to the community clinic and give and serve. And that's what they really want to do, and it's very rewarding.